This is just a little video basically saying that you can now pre-install Call of Duty Vanguard onto your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So I will be showing you how to do that in this video. But before we get started, if you haven't subscribed to this channel yet and you do want to see videos on Call of Duty Vanguard, how to fix errors, how to fix problems, and just basically improving the performance and hopefully increasing the frame rate on your computer in Call of Duty Vanguard, then hit that subscribe button because we will be doing lots of videos showing you how to do this. So to pre-install Call of Duty Vanguard, first you need to open up the battle.net app. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app now. Once you have the app open, you now need to ensure you are signed into the account that you purchased Call of Duty Vanguard on. And you then need to click onto the V at the top here. And that is Call of Duty Vanguard's logo. So as you can see, I'm now on the Call of Duty Vanguard page. And the install option is now available, as you can see down in the bottom left hand corner. So you won't be able to play the game until November the 5th at 4 AM GMT time. But we can get it installed on our computers ready for that date. So you now need to go ahead and select install, and you then need to select modify install, and you can now choose if you want to install the campaign. If you don't want to install the campaign, then deselect the campaign option and then it will not include the campaign. I do want to install the campaign as I do want to give it a little go. So once you're happy with your selection, press confirm. You can now choose where you want to install Call of Duty Vanguard. I'm happy for it to be installed on my G drive. You can now also choose if you want to have the game auto update and create a desktop shortcut. So once you're happy, go ahead and press start install and Call of Duty Vanguard will now begin to install on your Windows computer. So that is how you pre-install Call of Duty Vanguard. I can't wait until November the 5th at 4 AM GMT. Comment below if you're excited about that day and getting on Call of Duty Vanguard. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.